Good morning students. Hope you all are safe at your home. In the last session, we discussed about different modes of transport, that is land transport, water transport and air transport. Hope you all have revised the lesson. Today we will be learning a new chapter, chapter 4, Occupations of India. Students, in this chapter, we will be learning about the main occupations of the people living in both villages and cities. Any work that helps a person to earn his livelihood is called an occupation. So children, what is occupation? Any work that helps a person to earn his livelihood is called an occupation. There are many types of occupations like teaching, agriculture, farming, business, trade, etc. Our next topic is agriculture. Agriculture or farming is the main occupation of rural people. The Indian farmers grow many crops. In growing these crops, the soil, climate and irrigation play an important role. Farmers earn their livelihood by selling vegetables and crops in the market. Now we will learn about rearing of animals. First one is cattle farming. Cattle like cow, sheep, buffaloes and goats are reared on farms. They provide us with milk and help us in agriculture. Sheep are reared specially for their wool. Rearing of animals for milk is called dairy farming. Milk and milk products are the main food items of rural areas. Some animals are also reared for meat. Cows and buffaloes are milch animals. Animals that give milk are called milch animals. Next is poultry farming. Hen, duck and geese provide us with eggs and meat. People rear these animals for their livelihood. Now we will learn about fishing. The main occupation of the people living near the coastal area is to catch fish. Those men who catch fish for their livelihood are called fishermen. The cultivation of fish in ponds for commercial use is called pisciculture. Our next topic is working in forest. A large area in India is covered with forest. Many people depend on these forests for their livelihood. They are engaged in cutting the trees and collecting other forest products. Many people collect gums and rubber from the trees in the forest. Thus, forests provide work to millions of people. Students, let's recall what we learned today. Firstly, we learned what is occupation. Any work that helps a person to earn his livelihood is called an occupation. Then we learned about agriculture. In agriculture, farmers earn their livelihood by selling vegetables and crops in the market. Next, we learned about rearing of animals, under which comes cattle farming, poultry farming and fishing. Rearing of animals, under which cattle farming, poultry farming and fishing. And lastly, we learn about working in forest. That's all for today. We will be meeting in the next session. Till then, take care and stay at home.